Discover, monitor, act. To a compliance and regulatory firm like PerformLine, it's much more than a tagline. After realizing the need for better optics into companies' sales and marketing interactions with their consumers, PerformLine was born. Welcome to the FinTech Effect, RegTech Edition. Alex, you were hot off the heels of your session here at Money 2020, and it was all around the emergence of RegTech, but PerformLine's been around for quite some time. So talk to me about what PerformLine actually does.
And we provide a SaaS solution to financial institutions, lenders that need to be compliant with all their consumer interactions. And that's really focused on things like avoiding consumer misreps, getting the proper consents, as well as brand safety. We've been at this for about 10 years, and we are fortunate to call clients in our portfolio, everyone from the country's largest bank, the country's largest mortgage lender, the world's largest education company, and the world's largest ride-sharing company.
So how does the PerformLine technology work to monitor across different consumer interaction channels of an organization?
Yeah, great question, Shannon. When we set out to build the PerformLine application, we wanted to make sure that the technology was flexible enough to help our customers deploy their compliance rules and their remediation actions across any channel. So the way we enable that is we created a very flexible and nimble rule engine that allows our customers to set their tolerance levels, to apply different rules to different products and different channels. And then we realized that we were unearthing a lot of data, and it wasn't very valuable to our customers unless we made it actionable. So we built a workflow application that sat within the PerformLine product, and that allowed our customers to decide very quickly what to do with these potential violations that we unearthed, and to drive them through to remediation and closure, and have an audit trail that they can use for internal audit purposes or for when external regulators come knocking.
And you emphasize PerformLine's, monitor across multiple channels, across multiple departments in an organization. And why does that matter?
So what we've found in doing this for many, many years at scale is that having a single record of the truth is really important for the compliance function. All the different aspects, all the different lines of business within a bank or financial institution or fintech need to be on the same page as it comes to compliance and the rules that they follow. So the marketing team needs to be aligned with legal and regulatory. Risk needs to be aligned and know what's going on in the marketing department. Business operations, so the folks that are running the call center, need to have the same rules of engagement that all these other departments have. So having a platform that all of them can interact with, and that can be a central repository for audit and for remediation is key.
And I understand about 5 years ago, you started a conference to really bring together the compliance and regulators with the Comply conference. So what can we expect for Comply 2019?
So we started this conference, Comply. It started actually as a customer summit. And then after a year or two, we realized that there was a really big need for compliance professionals to have an event where they could get together, share best practices, and not only hear from regulators and vendors, but also kind of learn about how they can elevate their own careers and take tips and hacks from other practitioners and bring them back to their own organization. So Comply 2019 is going to be bigger and better than ever. It pretty much doubles every year in size, and we've got some exciting things planned. You're going to hear from innovators in the space. You're going to hear from folks who are in different industries other than financial services that are taking some lessons from financial services and also innovating in their own way, and it's going to be very exciting.
Well, that sounds great. Alex, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. That was great.
PerformLine is the only RegTech platform that empowers leaders to address brand and compliance concerns across multiple consumer touchpoints. From Medici Studio, I'm Shannon Rossick.